Yo, what is up, boys? In this video, we're going to show you how you can download and install games on your Nintendo Switch 2 for completely free. This includes no hacks, no mods, no jailbreaks. This is actually a 100% legit method straight from the Nintendo eShop. So if you're looking to pick up some fun games without spending a dime, let's go ahead and dive straight into this. Before we do so though, make sure to leave a like in this video, share with some friends, and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on if you want even more Switch 2 tutorials. And not to mention, it really does help out the channel and it helps me make more videos just like this. I'd greatly appreciate it. To start though, from your Switch 2 home screen, you're going to want to scroll down until you find the eShop icon. Go ahead and tap it to open it up, and when prompted, select the user profile linked to your Nintendo account. Keep in mind you are going to need a Nintendo account to access the free game, so make sure you're signed in. Once inside the Nintendo eShop, you're going to want to navigate to the search bar or the browse section as well. Go ahead and actually click on it and actually scroll down a little bit on this page until you get the filtered search section. Go ahead and open up this page right here and find the price range option. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually open this up and select free. From here, you can keep all of these the same or change them if you like, and simply go ahead and hit search. As you can see, there's actually over 1,000 games in here that you can play for completely free. This is going to be a full list of every single free-to-play game and app available for the Switch 2, including popular things like Overwatch 2, Fortnite, Rocket League, and so much more. Yes, there's even going to be some AAA titles. Scroll through the list until you find something that you're interested in. In this case, we're going to go ahead and choose Assassin's Creed Revelations, just like so. And once you find the game that you like, you just have to click on free download, and then it'll confirm on this next screen right here. Hit this button and then you'll be able to go ahead and download it, and the game icon's going to appear on your home screen and you can launch and start playing. But it really is as simple as that. If this tutorial did help you out, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for even more Nintendo Switch 2 content, tips, and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.